The rate of blood flow is the volume of blood that is pumped through a blood vessel during a set period of time. Blood flow is generated by the pumping of the heart. We can calculate the rate of blood flow if we know the volume of blood that flows through a vessel in a set period of time. Blood flow rate is often shown as millilitres per minute, litres per minute, millilitres per hour, or litres per hour. So how do we calculate the rate of blood flow? At rest, about 22,400 millilitres of blood flows through the aorta every 4 minutes. Calculate the hourly rate of blood flow through the aorta. Remember that we can calculate the rate of blood flow if we know the volume of blood and the time, which we're given here in this question. In the exam, you will always be given the necessary information that you need within the question. So step 1, calculate the rate of blood flow per 1 minute. In the question, we're told that 22,400 millilitres of blood flows through the aorta every 4 minutes. To find out how much flows through every 1 minute, all we need to do is divide this value by 4. This equals 5,600 millilitres per minute. Units are really important when you're doing calculations looking at the rate of blood flow, so make sure you pay attention to those that were given to you in the question. Step 2 is to calculate the hourly rate of blood flow. So we know that 5,600 millilitres are pumped per minute, and there are 60 minutes in an hour. So we're going to multiply this value by 60 to give us 336,000 millilitres per hour. This answer can also be given as 336 litres per hour. That's quite a lot of blood travelling through the aorta to supply the body. It's important that you're able to carry out simple rate calculations like this one in the exam, and make sure that you pay extra attention to the units.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!